Hello, my friend. I think there was some confusion yesterday with the math assignments. So we were supposed to have a lesson yesterday. You were also talking with Miss Steph for a while, I know. So I'm going to record this video. You can do it today, and then tomorrow we'll go ahead and we'll check together to see how you're doing. So we're on to algebraic expressions again. So we're going to use variables to write algebraic expressions. There is a typo in this digital book. You'll see it when we get there. Just be aware that it's just a typo. So we're going to use variables to represent unknown numbers and write addition expressions. So a 5-inch ribbon is taped to an 8-inch ribbon. If we want to know the total length of the two ribbons, we're going to add them together, right? 5 plus 8 is 13. So I know the total length of the ribbon is 13. Now, if I have a ribbon of unknown length and I tape it to a 9-inch ribbon, I want to know the total length of the two ribbons. So remember, we can use a variable, right? In this case, we're using x to represent the unknown length. A variable can be replaced with different values. So in our example here, x will be our value, so it can represent different numbers. If the length of the first ribbon is 12 inches, then maybe we can say, we later find out that the length of the first ribbon is 12 inches, then x would equal 12, right? So we know how variables work. So if we were to go ahead and put these together, this is supposed to be a plus sign, not this weird sign that it is. Then we would say the total length of the ribbon is x plus 9 inches. So x plus 9 is an algebraic expression in terms of x. X and 9 are the terms of the expression, right? We can use variables also to write subtraction expressions. So if I have a straw of a length of 10 centimeters, and I'm going to English for you. A straw of length 10 centimeters is, third time's a charm, right? A straw of length 10 centimeters is cut from a straw length 24 centimeters. So I have a straw that's 24 inches long, and I cut 10 centimeters away. We want to know what the remaining length of straw is. So we're going to use this as subtraction. 24 minus 10 is going to give us 14. Now, if I take a straw length of 6 centimeters and I cut it from a straw of length y centimeters, we want to know what the length of the remaining straw is. So I have to take 6 away from y. So I'm going to do y minus 6, and that's what this is left over. You can also say like 6 less than y. All right, so you are going to do the guided practice after we're finished with the video. The next thing we're going to do is multiplication, right? So there are 12 crackers in each box. How many crackers are in 2 boxes? So I have 2 times 12 is 24. So there's 24 crackers. If I have z crackers in each box and I have 4 boxes, I want to know the total number of crackers. I'm going to do 4 times z. You can also write that as 4z. Moving forward in math, when we do have multiplication with a variable, we're just going to put those two numbers next to each other, mostly because if you add like the multiplication sign or even like a little asterisk, it can get confusing. What's the variable? What's the sign? So with multiplication, we just write the number and then the variable for our expression. So 4z. There are 4z crackers in 4 boxes. All right, so we have one more. We're going to do this with division now. So if I have a 12-inch rod that's divided into 3 parts of equal length, I want to know the length of each part. I'm just going to take 12 and divide it by 3. Gives us 4, right? We know division. Now if I want to do it with variables, right? A rod of length w inches is divided into 7 parts of equal length. So what we're going to do is we're going to do w divided by 7 is the length of each part. What we're going to be doing moving forward is writing it as a fraction. So remember, our fraction bar is a division sign, right? So we'll do w over 7 is the same thing as w divided by 7. So w divided by 7 or w over 7 is an algebraic expression in terms of w. So you, my friend, are going to go ahead. You're going to do the guided practice 1 through 6 for the remainder of the day today. We'll touch base tomorrow, see how you feel, and then we will go ahead and move forward. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk with you more during literacy. Bye.